Yeah. Ceiling fan spinning like a migraine. Phones blowing up every alarm causing me pain. Cold feet, lukewarm ambition. Same spot, same posture, same position. Yeah. Stuck in the sheets, snooze is a cage. Every 10 minutes that shit repeats. Lungs feeling tight, deep ache in my back and knees. Told him I'm coming, but I'm lying through my teeth. Look at the screen, still trying to get my brain to think. Brain is a sponge, but it's clogging the sink. Internal noise, it's a rattle and a clink. Trying to find a thought that doesn't actually stink. And if I don't catch a spark, then I'm just a smudge, just a mess, just a mark. Leaving every project with a maybe it will hit the charts. Built a whole collection, but the finish line feels far. You got an itch just to know that you're there. Found a new problem and it's thinning out my hair. So much potential, but I'm gasping for air. Toe tap, finger snap, staring at the floor crack. Built the whole world and I painted the door black. I'm a bullet train hitting nothing but a wall. I got the big vision, but I'm waiting on the call. My eyes itch, my thumb twitch. I'm the gold in the dirt, I'm the ditch in the rich. Left a real banger in the back of my mind. I felt the itch, then I went blind. Wait, let me find a thread. You gotta move, I'm just fighting in the bed of a plan of a man. Never get it while you can, keep them busy. Yeah, the voice is busy. Before I move, let me find a grip. Lately I'm the one who's losing every trip. Lately the juice is just slow, wet drip. Face a blank page. Yeah, I'm losing my grip. Tick tock, look at the clock. I'm a big shot bear in a Kirkland sock. Got $1 million brain, but the door's on lock. I'm a heavyweight hitter that lost the fights. He fought flip, flop, wait for the drop. I'm a high-speed engine that's getting too hot. Talk like the real thing, but I'm up in the shop. I'm the only one here, can't even start before I stop.